has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Hog Mountain, or near Lawrenceville, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lawrenceville, Suwanee, Buford, Dacula, and Hog Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664. Tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 5 p.m. in Atlanta, it was partly